Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can refresh Google Chrome web browser on your PC or laptop really quickly. So let us get started. So basically there are two different ways how you can do that. The first option would be to simply use the F5 button on your keyboard, or to click on that button and in the top left corner to reload and to refresh the page you're currently on, which is pretty simple and should not require any further explanations. So that's one option. However, guys, if you'd like to refresh your entire Google Chrome web browser, restore it maybe to its default or factory settings, and that way maybe even fix some performance issues or improve your browser's performance in general, simply head over to your browser settings by clicking on these three dots in the top right, select settings here. Inside your browser settings, head over to About Chrome here at the bottom, and make sure that your Google Chrome browser is using the most currently released version of Google Chrome. If that's the case, you will see that notification here, Chrome is up to date. If that's not the case, Chrome will automatically send you a notification asking you for permission to download the newest update. And then the last step, guys, what you may do also is reset, as previously mentioned, your Chrome browser to its factory settings by clicking on Reset Settings here on the left panel. And after that, use that feature here, restore settings to their original defaults, and confirm that by clicking on that button here, Reset Settings. That is going to reset your entire Google Chrome web browser and its settings to factory settings. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you refresh Google Chrome. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.